Playing on the beat, on the beat.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So a company by the name of Cynosoure, I believe that's how you pronounce it, sent me this wig to test out. So this is their 24-inch straight wig. This is the packaging that it came in. A little cute bag so you can put your wig back in there, some eyelashes, a wig cap, and an elastic band. So it tells you that this is Brazilian hair. It gives you the density and the length, and this is what the wig looks like straight out the pack. So this is transparent lace. It is soft. The hairline did come a little pre-plucked, and I customized this wig off camera. If you do want to see how I customize wigs, you could go click any other video that is on my channel, and I definitely show you guys how to do that. So we're gonna go jump straight into this install. This is my friend Sherelle. You know what? It's weird. You know, being the friend that's somewhat, and I'm gonna say somewhat because I don't feel like I'm good at it, somewhat know how to do, you know, make your hair look a little nice. You know, I do my friend's hair a lot. So this is Sherelle. We're using Boho Active on her and Boho Liquid Gold as well. I did 3 layers of Boho Active and 1 thin layer of Boho Liquid Gold. And I use a brush to apply this because I find that using these synthetic brushes makes a huge difference. Okay, so once it goes clear, I'm gonna tell Sherelle to hold both of the end pieces or the ear tabs of the lace so I could go ahead and lay it down.
Playing on the beat, on the beat.
Once the lace is down, I'm going to take my blow dryer on warm, and I'm just going to help the lace push into the glue a little further with this method, just because I just want to make sure that it's locked in place, that it won't move or anything like that while I'm working on the hairline. So once that is done, I let it run for about 3 minutes on warm, and then I'm going to go in and cut off the excessive lace.
Playing on the beat, on the beat.
As you guys can see, the lace is super light, and I am going to go in with my Ruby Kisses makeup. This is the foundation and concealer duo pack. I'm not sure what number I used. I will have to look in my little collection to see what number I did, but I am going to press that makeup into the lace lightly. I did not use a lot, all right? And I take my Got To Be Free spray and an elastic band, and then I'm gonna wrap the lace down because I want this to be melted for her, all right? So the makeup looks pretty light because we're under like vanity studio lights, so it is coming off lighter than it actually is. But by the end of the video, the makeup is gonna warm up to her skin, and it's going to melt right in, and you will not be able to see or clock a difference. But again, you're under, well, she was under studio lights, so you could definitely see it. And she's tall, so normally, like my other friend Sade, who you're gonna see in this video, when she sits in the chair, she's a little bit shorter, so I didn't angle my camera right, so it's kind of under her looking up, you feel me? So Um, I am going to just go ahead and cut the baby hairs, and I am going to lay them down with my spritz. And after that, we're going to work on her half up, half down. So once I have the baby hairs in place, I'm going to go ahead and start molding the front of her hair going upwards. So I'm going to use my pressing comb. I'm going to use holding spray just so it could lay upwards. So it'll be easier to like slick and put it into a ponytail. Now, Sherelle showed me a picture of Ari, the real Kyle sister, and she had like a little updo with some waves in it. And Sade came in here, which is my best friend, and she told Sherelle that she should get the little ant antennas. That's what I call these things, ant antennas. And so she wanted those. I was like, all right, well, let's do it. So I ended up taking a little triangle, parting a triangle piece out in the front, parting it down in the middle, and there you go. So I'm putting her hair in a ponytail, but her ponytail was kind of thin, so I decided to add some hair into it. So what I did was I took a weft and I got a needle and thread, and I put the needle and thread through the weft, and I basically took the thread and wrapped it around her ponytail on the base. And then once I had it secure, I take the weft and I start wrapping it around the base of the ponytail. So I didn't want to use glue or anything. I just wanted to do something that was quick and easy. So once you start wrapping it around, I like wrap it like twice and then put the needle through the wefts in the ponytail base so it can lock in so it won't fall off. And then I'll wrap it again, put the needle through the base of the ponytail. So it'll lock in so it won't fall off. And then once you get to the end of the rough in the ponytail, you want to end it and then wrap the remainder of the string around the ponytail so it'll lock in so it won't fall off.
Playing on the beat, on the beat.
Once the ponytail is attached, I'm going to take a piece of the hair from the back. I should have took a thicker piece, but you know, it is what it is. I took a piece from the back, sprayed it with some Got2b, and I neatly wrapped it around the base of the ponytail so you can see the tracks. And after that piece of hair is all the way wrapped around the ponytail, you want to take your blow dryer or anything that's hot just to mold it in place. So I'm going to take my blow dryer and blow dry it down because I did spray Got2b around the base of it. And it's going to like mold so it won't unravel. And then after that, all I did was put in some loose wand curls that was going to fall into waves. And that's basically the end of this video. The hair performed pretty good. I did not have any shedding. I barely plucked it. I wish I did pluck it a little bit more because it would have made the hairline look a little bit more realistic. The hair was super thick, okay? So the density was very high on this wig, and you really, if you didn't do the half up half down, you did not need to add any hair to it because it was super thick. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I will leave this hair and all its details down below in the description box as well for you guys, and everything that I used in this video will be down in the description box for you as well. I don't know if I just said that. If I did, I'm sorry. Okay, but this is how it turned out. It was super cute. Like, you know, this was her first wig, so yeah, I think she's I changed her. But again, bye, best friends.